In this video, we are going to learn how to code a loop. In your meta editor, click new, create a script. Let's call it my practice script underscore loops. Loops are lines of codes that run multiple times. We're going to use a loop to sum the values between 1 to 10. So this is our task. Sum values from 1 to 10. Demonstration without explanation. What we see here is a while loop. The way we read this is quite literal. While x is less than or equals to 10, run the codes within the curly brace. So let's visualize this together. We have initialized x to be 1 on line 21. So x is less than 10 right now. Hence, we're going to run line 25. Total equals to total. We know that the value of total is 0 plus 1. So total is equals to 1. This total will be the variable that we're going to use to sum our values from 1 to 10. Next, you run line 26. The new value of x, it will be the old value of x, which is 1 plus 1. So the new value of x is now 2. Next, it is not going to go to line 29. That's the difference between the loop and a normal piece of code. It's going to go back up to line 23 again and check if x is less than or equal to 10. Currently x is 2, so that satisfies the criteria, and it's going to run line 25. The new total equals to the old total, which is 1, plus x, which is 2. So new total equals to 3. The new x is going to be the old x, which is 2 plus 1 equals to 3. The next loop comes again, x is still less than 10. Total now, it will be the old total, which is 3, plus the current x, which is 3. So the current total will be 6. The new x, it will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So you'll go up to line 23 again and check if x is less than or equal to 10. And since x is 4, it's going to run line 25 and 26 again. So this will go on and on and on until x is equal to 10. If you run line 25 and 26 for the last time, x will then become 11. And if you run line 23, and since x, which is 11, is not less than or equals to 10, it will not run line 25 and 26, and instead goes to the next one, which is line 29. Let's check the result of this script. I'm going to compile it. Ignore the warnings. These are not errors, so the code can still run. Go to the front. Execute the script by dragging the script to the chart. And you see the result 55, which is the correct answer to our summation. Next, we're going to learn how to code the same problem in a different kind of loop. We are going to use a for loop. So demonstration without explanation. You can think of a for loop as a more efficient way to code the while loop. To understand the for loop, we need to understand the three different expressions in the parentheses here. The first parenthesis represents the initial value of your x, which is the same as line 21 using the while loop. The next expression represents the condition of which to carry on the loop, which is the same as this condition in line 23 of the while loop. The final expression is a calculation to be done after each iteration. So x plus plus, which essentially is the same as x equals x plus 1, will be in this third part here. Let us visualize this together. So initially x is equal to 1. It will check if x is less than or equals to 10. And since x is less than 10, it will run total equals total plus x. After which, it is going to add the value of 1 to the OX, as represented by the x plus plus. So this will go on and on and on until x is 11, and then it won't run line 35 anymore. So let's check out the output for this. Let us comment away the top portion. Compile it. I'm going to pull out a new chart to avoid any confusion. Execute the loop, and you'll see that the correct answer is shown. There is a third kind of loop called a do-while loop. We are not going to go through that in detail. To find out more, go to your MQL4 reference. Under Language Basics, Operators, check out loop operator, do-while.